In front of me is VIVO Y33s, and let me show you how to locate IMEI and serial numbers on this device. So first of all, you need to open your phone dialer, click on keypad, and let's enter a secret code, which is *pound 06 pound. And as you can see right here, you've got the device information, so you can smoothly check all the necessary details. Tap on OK to close it. And then you can also find those numbers via settings. To do it, just open the settings, then find and select About Phone. And here under status, you will be able to check everything. Here you've got IMEI numbers, and if you'll tap on, wait for it, where is that? Actually, under software information, you will be able to find serial number. So under software information, you've got serial number, and then if you'll click on status, you can find both IMEI numbers. So this is it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.